We've also run into this large group from Thailand of tourists who actually arrived a day after the terror attack, and they've still decided to come to Pahalgam. They were there that day as well, and they've actually returned today, all looking bright and cheerful. Yes, ma'am, you arrived a day after the terror attack, and you decided to come back?
Yeah, actually we got a news before we come, but we make decision to come because we believe that the government and everyone in Kashmir will support us for traveling. And then we take a flight, come on 25. But actually everyone know about this situation in Pahalgam.
Nobody was scared? They still wanted to come?
Scared? Are you scared, woman?
Well, no.
No. Everyone willing to come.
You can take
Yes.
a video from
So that's great, but 26 people were killed. It was a terrible, terrible incident.
Yes, we know.
So I just want to know what's going on in all of your minds. How did you discuss it? Did you think about cancelling? How did you plan
So
it?
basically, they just believe they have been told.
you're with them?
Yeah, I am representing them. They're staying in my hotel in Srinagar. So mainly the thing is, they were only told one thing: believe what you see. So I think we just disclose it here because they wanted to come to Kashmir. So here they are. You can just ask. I have 13 people with me. So they have been treated with with the full of hearts, like with our arms open for them every time, not just now. So this is the message for the worldwide. We just don't want.
You've had a good time here?
very good
Good time. Good. Yeah. Yes. Enjoy. Yes. I'm enjoy.
It's really nice to see this. Look, none of this takes away from the seriousness of what happened in Pahalgam. That can never be ignored. It can never be sidestepped. The respect that must be shown for those who are grieving, those who are mourning, must always be front and center on this story. I'm very, very clear about that. But it is, for many other reasons, at least in some ways, good to see that people have decided to not cancel their plans, staying on. Like this group from Thailand decided to come despite knowing what had happened. They came after the terror attack. And in some ways, this is not what the terrorists want. This is exactly what the terrorists were trying to break. They wanted Kashmir's economy to suffer. They wanted Kashmir to return to darkness. And to see these smiles, not just from Indian tourists, but from tourists coming all the way from abroad, from Thailand, which is a very popular tourist destination for us Indians, there's definitely something good to see here.